Hello and welcome guys to the new video. Today I'm going to reveal a very amazing program that you can use for tracking your clicks. So let's go to the program. This program is called Bemob Tracking Software for Traffic Management. Let's log in. So let us log in. This is the amazing dashboard of the program. As you can see, they have campaigns. This is what we are going to use. Guys, you can actually take any link for any product. Right now, as you can see, I'm using ClickBank products. So guys, we are going to choose a ClickBank product. As you can see, ClickBank is actually having a lot of products and their health and fitness products are the best. So as you can see, it have a lot of gravity. So we are going to promote this product, for instance. We are just going to put a example or test campaign, and the traffic source is basically the one I'm using is Microsoft Advertising, and I'm going to target people from United States, and my currency will be US dollars. Tracking domain is going to stay the same, and we are going to put here the URL that we took from the ClickBank. So that's all basically. The test campaign links have appeared. This is going to be the campaign link, and we also have a QR to allow people to directly go to the product using the QR. So we are just going to copy this link and we are going to test it. You need to make sure that the URL is tracking back to the product with the unique this is working well. So this is how you can use to track clicks for free. I'm not paying anything for using this program, and you can see how many links I have already. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Have a great day. Bye bye.